Mastering percentages in data interpretation. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video on mastering percentages, especially when it comes to data interpretation techniques for the GMAT and GRE. In today's lesson, we will delve deep into the world of percentages and understand how they play a crucial role in data interpretation. Remember, understanding percentages is key to solving many quantitative problems efficiently. Percentages are a mathematical way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. The term percent itself means per hundred. If you've ever seen a sale sign that says 50% off, or a report card with a 90% score, you've already encountered percentages. For instance, 50% of 100 is 50. 25% of 400 is 100. 10% of 150 is 15. The primary formula you need to remember is percentage equals part whole times 100 text percentage equals left frac text part text whole right times 100 percentage equals whole part times 100. When tackling data interpretation questions, you might come across tables, graphs, or charts that present data in percentages. Here's how to navigate through them. 1. Percentage change. This is a common metric, especially in line graphs or bar charts. It's calculated as percentage change equals new value minus old value times 100 text percentage change equals left frac text new value text old value right times 100 percentage change equals old value new value minus old value times 100. 2. Comparing percentages. Be cautious when comparing percentages. A 50% increase in a small number might still be smaller than a 10% increase in a much larger number. Always refer back to the actual numbers if possible. 3. More than 100%. Percentages can be greater than 100%. If a company's profit doubles, it has increased by 100%. If it triples, the increase is 200%. 1. Finding 1%. If you need to find 1% of a number, simply divide it by 100. From there, you can find any other percentage. For example, to find 2%, just double the 1%. 2. Finding 50%. This is simply half of the number. 3. Finding 10%. Move the decimal point one place to the left. 4. Converting fractions. Remember that. 5. 1 divided by 2 equals 50%. 6. 1 divided by 4 equals 25%. 7. 3 divided by 4 equals 75%. 8. 1 divided by 5 equals 20%. 9. And so on. Recognizing common fractions and their percentage equivalents can save you time. And there you have it. We've gone over the basics of percentages and their relevance in data interpretation for the GMAT and GRE. Practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these techniques into your study routine. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we wish you the best of luck in your test preparation.